Emily, what's it like to get married in 2020? Look at this beautiful restaurant that Mary Emily picked out where they cook your food on hot rocks. It's called Hot Rock. And what's on the drink menu, friends?
It's the lightning.
It was like it was made for mermaid. To Mary Emily's wedding. Cheers. What are we doing, ladies?
Walking in the rain.
Walking in the rain. Sarah's jamming in the rain. We are in the Wisconsin Dells for Mary Emily's bachelorette party. We are staying at the Natura Treescape Resort, and I'm going to just show you around the place. So this is our treehouse. It's all natural water being fed in from the river. Look at these tree houses right over the lagoon. Another patron just told me it's 9 feet deep over there by the waterfall and you can jump off it. I'm on a bachelorette party and my kids aren't here, but if they were here, they would be so stoked about this old school teeter-totter.
Going to the waterfall.
Wave pool. America's largest water park. Woo! That's cold! Woo! Friends?
Water parking.
Water parking. Slides. Congo bongo. What's the flip probability, Kamal? Unlikely?
No, have fun.
Goodbye! Woo! Ready? Mary Emily's getting married! Round two. Round two.
My heart is beating super fast even though we've already done this one.
Round three. Round what? How was it? How was it? Woo! We're gonna do the thing. Woo! This is so good. Woo! Ready, set, up. Emily, think you can handle it? Water slide. Sarah's doing this very intense water slide at our hotel. Woo!
All right. 1, 2, 3.
That's the boat tour we're doing. We were confused about which boat we were supposed to get on, but we got on some boat, and we will also be getting on another boat.
I think the other guy was confused.
And away we go.
Today we are riding on the Wisconsin River. It gets its headwaters up in a beautiful little lake called Lac Vieux des Airs on the northern Wisconsin-Michigan border. From there it flows diagonally southwest across the entire state of Wisconsin for 432 miles till it empties into the mighty Mississippi just south of Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin at Wyalusing State Park.
Guys, I see a lot of small holes in the cliffs. These are called bugs, V-U-G-G-S. Those are made by cliff and bank swallows.
Here in the Witch's Gorge, Upper Wisconsin Dells, on the Wisconsin River. We're riding the General Bailey through the Upper Dells today. Woo! That's a good boy. You guys are cute. The original Wisconsin duck boats. A land and water adventure. Indians believed that many ages ago, the Great Spirit in the form of a snake created the Dells when it forced its huge body through a narrow opening in the rock. Geological studies, however, show that the Dells were formed some 15,000 years ago after a glacier turned the Wisconsin River into a new channel through the center of a sandstone plain. French-Canadian traders used their word dalles, meaning a trough or a narrow passage, to describe the section of the Wisconsin River wind. Weather and the river have combined to create the 7 miles of chasms, cliffs, pillars, and columns which form part of the many scenic features of the world-famous Dells. Hi friends! Family, flare your veil. Oh my goodness. It's so Bachelorette-y. She was very excited to wear it. What are we doing today, friends?
A giraffe.
Nice monkey bars. Hi little friends. African spurred tortoise. Hello, Mr. Tortoise. Hey, you already had one. Are you taking a snooze, my friend? Okay. Oh, is that yummy? Are you eating a pepper?
Hello. You're standing.
I love the colors on that one.
I know.
You are beautiful.
He likes to play with it.
Now we're waiting for the police.
That's my bad.
What's an adventure without at least one mishap?